Shibenta ban Pynkupbor ki brio badan jingduna haki Dkhot men. But ban aila iki ban pin I ki sab ki don ka composite regional center for skill development, rehabilitation and empowerment of person with disabilities Shillong. Kala pinlong ya ka purple fair for Tifyang jan kabalong ru kasinjam ban ningkong kum kani hagajila Meghalaya. La pinlong ya kani ka jingalang ha parish hall nongpo Ribhoi district hagashitarik unailar ajar apusan. Yakani ka sinjam la pinlong ringkat ke jinge trailang bat ke office u deputy commissioner bat ke district social welfare officer ke Ribhoi district. Kathong jogani ka program kalong ban ai Rynsan ki bril peron jiduna haki Dkhot met pakin la ban pin I kisab hakikam kum ka shat karwai ka drama kum juru hakikam tinrai kum ka shna jingshna kam san umso bat kiwi Lasaki yakani daga jingelang Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi kum ukong san bat ka kong B Rani EDC Ribhoi kong NF Sun DSWO Nongpo Uram Shaka Sahani Director CRCSRE kong Prishka Pingrop kum ka Ambassador ka Purple Fair Lem Hadu Sanspa Arpun Riungwood kinong Shimpenta na Kelengke District Kiba Kinthop Aspa Sao Punyongwood Kiba Duna ki Dkhot med ki doctor ki nurse bat ki weipan lapin shong shit shushu yakani ka fair daka jingwan jurib ya ki stall pin inam ba pher do simbot menteri rang ba ka jela uba prestun tingsong ha ka jingidon lang bat ki sawud ki MLA na Ribhoi district.
Director Crccsre-Shillong, Smriti B. Rahi MCS, ADC, Smriti Ayushi Tattal, IAS, Commissioner DSOW, Madam and others. Dignitaries, organizer, distinguished guests, friends, and my dear fellow citizens, a very warm greeting to you all of you. I feel immense pride and gratitude to stand before you today, not just a participant in the remarkable Purple Fair here, in the beautiful district of Ribhoi district of Meghalaya.
And we realize the blessings that we have had and that how unreasonable our habit is to cry over things which do not really matter in the larger scheme of things. I visited around an hour back with Honorable Deputy CM and all the MLAs of Ribhoi. The purpose of bringing all of them here was not just to be able to marshal support for all the cause, for all the for the development of the people with disabilities, for the Divyangjan, but also to show them that despite the challenging difficulties, people who have been unfairly dealt by the Almighty, they have not really surrendered their will to the God. Rather, they have taken the destiny in their own hands, and they are ensuring that instead of being a liability, they are rather the one who are earning livelihood for their family, and they are carrying the burden of the so-called able-bodied ones as well. So first of all, many congratulations to all of you for the fact that you have not lost hope, that you're not cribbing like the so-called able-bodied ones. Rather, within the very challenging circumstances that you find yourself in, you have been able to find your way to not just sustain yourself, but rather to also sustain your family. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the ambassador for Purple Fest, Srimati Kiba, who is one of the world champion when it comes to arm wrestling, and a shining example of what will and determination can do for any human being.